Knowing how much your case is worth is probably one of the most difficult answers to give. And the reason is there are so many different factors that can come into play. We look at the extent of the injury, whether there was bodily damage, whether there was harm to vehicles. We look at the history, what cases have been worth in the past, and you can find that on different verdicts that have come here in California in the past, and we research these a lot. We look at how much the client has had to spend, how much in medical costs that they had to spend, how much time they've taken off work, and the true extent of their injuries.